Alrighty, so here we have the Harbor Breeze Armitage, and it's on an up and it's being tested out on the closet light glows, but they can be for ceiling fans too. But you can use a globe. You can use that kind of globe on any. Probably on anything, but we're going to we're gonna be doing the demonstration of this fan and with it on, and cause I wanted to try it out on the I brightened the lights so you could see it better because it's a cloudy day outside. So we're gonna be is going to be tested out on this. It was being tested on this glow, and I wanted to do a demonstration on this light kit here, and it's got 3 blades because I'm liking it that way, and then also it shakes sort of badly on high, but I was at least able to balance it. And also I'll show you one of the blades here. This is what has came and all, and so yeah, it'll soon be tested out on new blades, or maybe later, but yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and have it demonstrated. But listen to, also it hums, if it hums loudly when the globe's not, it hums hard if a globe's not putting on properly, so I tightened it, and it also hums pretty quietly, but I don't know if it's naturally like this, but we're gonna be starting. But it has a good motor, pretty much, so, and it spins pretty fast, so that's a good sign it's not wearing out. But I put it on an acorn pull chain just to make it, and a globe there to make it like the just to make it like the classic fans. Sorry, I just got songs. I'm trying to prevent songs from getting in my head and disrupting it. But it's got a nice way of it, and I got them good and tight. But yeah, it's got a good it spins pretty fast, so that's a good sign. I'm gonna check. I don't remember how fast it speeds up, but we're gonna find out. Here comes, start with demonstrate, but we'll start with the light to show you. That's the nice light. So this is a good, nice light there, helps good. Turn it off, and then turn the fan on and start with high, and you'll see how fast this fan comes on, and but I'll find out how fast it comes on, like how quickly it speeds up. It shakes kind of back, like I said. It just like sort of sucks for it to, it just stinks for it to be out of balance. But I'm surprised it's not rattling this much. anymore because seems that the old globe it had its original globe had something to do with it, cause I can it's like it sort of shakes. You can hear it hum. It like it like vi it like trails a little bit like this, but it's not too bad. But that was the thing I bumped into. Yeah, it's just one of my stuff. But yeah, but it does walk. It doesn't make a lot of rattling this anymore since I put on the new globe. Yeah, but it may not look that wobbly on camera, but yeah, it does suck for it to be out of balance. It sort of sucks for it to be out of balance, but it's not completely bad. It's just working fine, it's just, but you can call the wobble a dancer, but it does, but like I said, it just stinks for it to be out of balance, but at least it doesn't rattle anymore. Now I'll go to medium. That's the speed I use most of the time. Since it's more decent, it barely wobbles on medium. I used that speed all the time lately, every single day. I mean, like, not every single day, just like every day I use this speed since it's decent and it doesn't wobble as much as it does on high. I wouldn't use high, but on medium, even though it's decent, it wouldn't this fan doesn't push amount of air. I never felt any coldness I never felt cold from using the fan for so long. I think it does blow air, but not too cold air. But yeah, it does got a nice good medium. It used to have if you didn't see my video of it sounding like a rattlesnake because of this original globe right there, you can see. Did I not singing the whole thing there, and also, and then now we'll go to, I used to be afraid of putting it on high, but now I'm not anymore because of seeing what I saw. I thought the rattling was gonna cause, and trilling was gonna cause it to fall apart, but I realized the way how much that wobbles is not that bad. Now we'll go too low. It's a nice soft fan. It is definitely a soft fan. It's like definitely still soft sounding, even though it's out of balance. It's soft sounding, especially on low. Yeah, that's low. So that's low. But yeah, it does pretty much got a good low speed to it. Yeah, but with Toonlays, I would think it would be faster than that. and it is light. But yeah. Then I'll just take this. Oh, and bumped into. You could hear it vibrate, changing the hum while I'm taking off the globe, because I'm gonna take this off and show you the globe, its original globe if you didn't see it. You can hear it causing the walls causing it to sound loudly. It's just like walls vibrating, but I'm gonna put it back up. Put it back up. Put this on. Alright, I'll show you high speed again, and you'll hear how it rattles. 'Cause that's what scared the Christ out of me. That's what made me think it was dangerous to leave on high, because it's trailing the globe. And if I hold it, it's not that much rattling. I had to slow it down, and I'll show you how, I'll demonstrate how it hums on while it's on, how it hums the walls without a globe on. Back to medium. I'll actually take you to part 2. I'll make a part 2 to this.